Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and in this one I'm going to be using this really cute kit. This one is from the Sticker Patch, and the owner of this shop's name is Melissa. You can find her over on Etsy, and I will leave her linked below in case you guys are interested in this artwork. It's super cute. I love her little berry is her little character. She's done a couple of collabs with some of my other favorite shops like Itty Bitty Sticker Co. They did a Molly and Barry were together. It was a really cute kit, and I did a plan with me with that one not too long ago, so you probably saw that one. I'm also going to be using the pumpkin spice. So these are some of the paint swatch sheets from Punky Bee Designs, and that is the pumpkin spice collection, which I'm hoping that she's going to do some more of those for the Black Friday sale. I'm going to keep an eye out, and if she does, I'm definitely going to be snagging those because I love those. They're like really fun little extras to fill in the spaces. And all of the kits in the TPC Black Friday mailer and box were smaller kits. They weren't like full, huge, tons of pages. They were like this one was a 3-page, and I think the one in the mailer was a 3-page as well. And you probably could mix and match them. Pretty sure that you could because I think the artwork is pretty similar for both of them, but they're different boxes. But I wanted to kind of stretch it out. So what I decided to do was to bring in the extras. So I'm bringing in the Punky Bee Pumpkin Spice paint swatches, and I'll also grab later on in the video my Avalon and Ninth, my functional subscription. So the functional subscription, I think it was for October, matches this kit really well. So I picked out some of the functional boxes from there as well. And I'll also leave that linked below along with, so Avalon and Ninth will be linked below because that's the planner that I'm using, but you can also find her subscription stuff. And then if you join her Facebook group, she puts up a schedule all the time of when the new functionals and the new monthly bundles are up for you to join. So if you really are looking for a functional subscription, that's where you can find a subscription. And then if you're just looking for functional bundles, well, you know my shop has them, but also Punky Bee has them, so you can find them there. So back to the spread. Isn't this so stinking cute? So for the first week of November, I thought this was perfect because the colors are bright, lots of leaves, it's stinking adorable, the little artwork is fantastic, it's got like the apple picking, it's just perfect. And this planner is now my home planner, and the TPC Nation hybrid planner with the daily spreads is my shop planner. So I thought that this one, the other kit, the one that's in the mailer, would be better for using for dailies because I've got some daily spreads that I need to do. So I will probably be using the mailer one in the TPC Nation one. I probably won't do a plan with me. I don't usually do plan with me's for dailies, but I find that the TPC Nation planner, that with the daily one, not the regular one, because they have more than one. So if you go to the TPC Nation shop, you'll find a section, it's all by itself, and it's called the hybrid TPC hybrid planner. And if you go there and you're looking for something with dailies, that's where you're going to find it. If you're looking for just the regular planner without the daily section, you'll find that just in the regular where all the other planners are. So the hybrid one kind of has its own special place in the TPC Nation shop. So if you're looking for that, that is where you'll find it, but that is not the planner we're talking about. We're talking about Avalon and Ninth, and Avalon and Ninth has a new planner coming out. So for Black Friday, she's got a B6 size planner coming out, which is really exciting. And I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'm probably going to pick it up because I really want something more portable that I can take around with me to work, so that I have like the monthly spread and some daily spreads and stuff where I don't have to carry around a big old huge planner with me. So the B6 size one I think would be perfect. So I'm probably going to pick that up during the Black Friday sale. What else did I get? Oh, I ordered from Simply Gilded today. So she was having a sale on her sticker storage bundles. So you would get, and they're in the new Christmas ones. So I got the Buffalo Plaid bundle, which is the bigger one, just like the 5x7 size sticker storage, and then the 4x6 size sticker storage, and then there's a bow. So there was the 3 with it together, and then I bought another 5x7, that red one, that really red one for Christmas. I just thought it was super pretty, and that one's another 5x7. So I picked those up from Simply Gilded today because I am trying really hard to be more organized with my stickers because I have so many stickers now. I never thought I would ever say that I have too many stickers ever, but I have too many stickers. Too many. And most of the time I can't even find like what I need. So I know I have like a ton of these cute little um, icons and little character stickers, and I can never find them. Like when I need them, I don't know which one they're in. So I've decided that I'm going to organize all of my stickers. And I started with, I think if you watch the haul video for October from Avalon and Ninth, I picked up another. I got the Wizard Library, the reusable sticker storage. I got another one. So now I have two, and I'm trying to organize those and put like all the extras in them. Some of them have scripts and some of them have icons and some of them have character stickers, and just like making actual like sections in there so that I can just flip to it and find it easily. And so I've already started my sticker storage adventure, but I still have a very long way to go. And one of the other things I noticed is functionals. Like I want my functionals all in one place so that I can just go to it and find what I need without flipping through like 5 different books, because I have different books for different companies. Like Planning with Manny and Avalon and Ninth have their own sticker book, and I have all of their stuff in there every time I get kits from them, but the functionals being kind of mixed in with the kits themselves is too hard. I forget where everything is, and then I don't open it, and then I forget that I had it. So I'm going to get more organized, and I think everybody else should too. Maybe that will be my goal. My goal for 2022 is to organize all of my stickers. But see, here is where I keep all of my Avalon and Ninth stickers and my Planet with Manny. They're in this particular 5x7 sticker storage. And you see how like everything is mixed together, and I forget that I have it. So I've decided to pull all of my functions, especially since now that I subscribe to the functional bundles from Avalon and Ninth, I need them to be in a place where I can just flip through, find the colors that I want, pull out that sheet, and then get to work. And I'm also going to try to be a little bit more organized with my Plan with Me so that you guys don't have to sit around and wait for me to find what I'm looking for. I can like pre-pull everything because I'll know where it is, and I can pre-pull it out and be ready to plan. So what else is going on here? The garage is now cleaned up for the most part because we are getting ready to have the flooring done, and we thought we were going to have to store the flooring because the guy at Lowe's said we did, but then when I called back to find out how big a space we needed to store it, the other dude I talked to on the phone was like, you don't store it. They bring it when they come do the work. So yeah, I'm a ding dong. But hey, it made me clean the garage, but now I have to go to the dump because I got a ton of stuff to take to the dump. Last thing that I need to do is just put my date dots on, and yeah, then I think I'm pretty much done with this spread, and it is stinking adorable. I'm sorry this is going to go up late. I'm actually doing the voiceover after this week is over. I've already started the next one, so I will have 2 for you. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. Subscribe if you like this. Give it a thumbs up. Comment on anything. I answer all of my comments as much as I can, and I will see you again real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.